So the next question I have for you is regarding idea evaluation. Now you are a mentor yourself. So if somebody approaches you with an idea, how do you evaluate it as a mentor? How do you guide them?
Correct. So where the ideas comes from, right? So most of the time you get inspired, you've read something, that what I mentioned about the first category, or the second one is about you saw a problem that happened to you, to your friend, your family, in your town. Then you say that, wow, it happened to me. Can I solve that? Others also will have the similar problem. Should I solve it? So when people come to us, and I encourage people to go talk about the ideas to more and more people, right? So when I mentioned about the sensitivity helps you to identify problems. When you identify the problem, you start talking to more people about, see that is problem is worth solving, and how many people will have the similar kind of problem. Because when people come to us, they want to build a scalable company. If the problem is not big enough, there are not big market for these solutions, then they need to be understanding that what kind of a solution I'm providing, and I should be aware that is it scalable idea or not. So I encourage them to go meet more and more people. But still there is an apprehension. People sometimes they'll come and sit in this bench. That's what I do most of my sessions. They will just look around, sir, I have a great idea, people should not listen to it, right? So after they've told me the idea, I said there are 5 guys working on the similar idea. Then they'll say, no, I've been thinking about it 6 months. I said, you've been thinking, somebody already did it, right? So this way, if you have an idea, jump, start doing it. If you think too much, there is someone else is going to solve it already. So this first is about jump, start doing it. The second is about talk to as many people possible. I always tell that if you tell your idea to people, and if more people are telling your idea is bad, you are a crazy person, you are on the right track, because you identified something they never thought about. So that is why the idea validation required for you to go multiple people. The one set of people say that your idea is crazy, then you're on the right track, you found a very innovative problem solutions. The second element is about once you identified a potential customer, you should start talking to them as well to identify that are they ready with this solutions? Is there a price point? Is there a channel? What is the way to take it forward? That idea validation we need to be also very, very important. When I tell people go talk to more people, that means that we tell our students as well get out of the building, because otherwise they sit in the search engine, do every research on the search engine. If I tell these people that we have 400 million people do not have electricity, that person is now writing a blog saying that I have a problem, please come and solve. So it's not going to, you don't find this person on internet. You're going to find that person on Banagata Road, right? We tell that this Banagata Road is like an Iceland, right? That one country is in one road. So you go talk to more people, identify the problems, validate your idea. The problem you identified is worth solving. If you have a solution, is there a people to buy? And how deep is the pain point, right? If the deeper the pain point, the better the solution, people to buy. The pain is deeper, the solution selling is become very, very easy, right? The other part is about when you're talking, you need to understand the Indian psychology, right? In India, we have no idea how to say a word no, right? We say like this. So we have no idea whether I said no or yes, right? And also that what you get is a free advice. In court, tell people that I have this problem, I'm working on the solution, they'll say awesome idea, you sell it, I'll buy it. So in India, to get the real validation, people, you need to bring the money element.
Okay.
Even if it is 1 rupee, you need to provide that and say this person is going to pay even 1 rupee for that solution. So I always tell people that don't just take it on the face value that I talked to 50 people, they said this is awesome solution, I would buy it. So then start talking about the money element, right? Can you start giving this product, right? We have this one of our investment, they provide solar lanterns, right? So they were giving the solar lanterns free to some of the roadside shops for few months for free.
Okay.
So after that went and talked to them that are you happy with the solution? They said awesome, yeah, I'm able to open the shop for late night. All fantastic. Next month onward you pay us $100 a month. They gave the lantern back. So even though the solution is validated, but is it pain enough for them to pay you money?
Yes.
Because you are a business person, right? You're an entrepreneur. That means the solution people are ready to pay, then only you have a business. Otherwise there is no business. So that element needs to be validated early on, and so that you are able to get a fair good idea about how big is the market and what is the pain point, how deeper the pain is, how tough is going to be able to solve this problem. And at the same time that I'm able to get a great validation that if I have the solution, there is going to be people to buy, and how big is the market, right? We always say about the MVP, right? Don't just sit in a lab, keep on working on your product. Make a very simple MVP, give it to the customer, take very even a small amount of money, but there is some money coming. Nothing should be given free, especially in B2B if you are selling, because B2B they'll say that come do a pilot in our company, right? You will end up doing pilot forever, right? And because if they're not giving you any money, there's no pain in them. Because if they're giving money, mean that he need to get approval from his manager, there's a budget is there, so that all this is validated. Otherwise you go say that I want to solve this problem, say okay, try it, we'll see what happens. That is why the MVP, validation with the money, paid pilot, even very small, I tell people it's 1 rupee, get the money. That shows that they're willing to give you money.
Yes, true.